That entails a whole-of-government approach to the problem of 500% increase ng new cases of HIV. So, meron ng executive order in the Philippine National AIDS Council that controls yung mga programa sa HIV. Pero mukhang hindi siya effective because may increase pa rin tayo. And then mukhang iba na yung problema, bumabata, di ba? So, we need more help. So, hindi ko naman ma-orderan yung ibang ahensya. But only the President can probably order the other agencies. That's why I'm suggesting a declaration of public health emergency of national concern. Kasi bansa natin to tayo ang dadami HIV. Pinakakonti pa nga tayo less than 1% of our population ang may HIV. Pero ayoko lumaki yun. I don't want that to get bigger.
But we are also the highest.
We are now the highest in new cases at 56 new cases a day. Tayo ang pinakamataas na yata. Sabi nila worldwide, wala namang ibang mas mataas pa. Sa cabinet meeting yan. Cabinet meeting. I've been scheduled naman for a cabinet meeting to brief the President on this meeting.
Can you walk us through the process? Paano po ba ito? Mag-release ng dokumento ang Malacanang?
Meron na akong na-propose. I have a proposed document kung ano yung mga dapat na steps na gagawin ng national government, ng whole of society. Very similar to nangyari sa COVID. Diba nung ang COVID nag-declare na public health emergency, lahat tumulong, pati private sector, pati media, diba? You all helped in the disseminating information. Ang kulang siguro more information nadinig nyo naman yung ating we need your help. We need also media's help to really expose the problem, lalo na sa ating mga youth.
Do you see the need to create another task force that will specifically...
Hindi na, yung PNAC na ang gagawa. The Philippine National AIDS Council will just be empowered with some of the mga requests na.
Sir, 20% din sa cabinet?
Pinischedule yan, nakapila yan for